Alright guys, what's up? So, for the past, I don't know, week, 2 weeks, we've been working on trying to get our sawmill up and running. I hope you can see me. I hope the sun's not, let me get you adjusted there. So for the past 2 weeks, we've been working on trying to get this mill running. It's been an absolute headache. But I think today we finally got it done. I've been working all day on this thing. We got it all together. We've turned the power unit on. It fired right up. It's Detroit power unit. Chased a not oil leak, but a fuel leak. Oh, for like 3 hours. It turned out to be a hose clamp that was missing. Was supposed to be there, wasn't. And as you can imagine, it was an absolute worst location you could ever try to put something. So that took a while. We got that. We got the end stops on. It's an electric over hydraulic. I hooked up the electric myself. Almost fell there trying to talk to you. So, you know, I fancy myself a shade tree electrician, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. Hard for me to understand. There's so many solenoids. How it works is you hit a button, it sends current to a solenoid. The solenoid tells the hydraulics turn on and your set works go on, so on and so forth. Anyway, old mill there. As you can see, we straighten you up there. Kind of cleaned up a little bit. The wood miser is no more. Here she is, Edmiston electric over a hydraulic sawmill. We're gonna put a set of dead rollers right here. This is live rollers, big Detroit power unit. It's an absolute monster. Full hydraulics, good blade there. Old school set works. This mill, it's got a vertical edger. That way when everything comes off, when it comes off, it'll be a board and you know your 2 end pieces. Come over here. Good 3-stand log deck with load, unload, start, stop, whatever the heck you want to call it. 4 head block carriage. A barn sweep. It's hydraulic. There's the old whacker. Hey, I want to tell you that little whacker has been an absolute awesome machine. I say that and tomorrow it's going to blow up on me, but yeah, it's been pretty good. But as you can see, this mill right here, this is the cab. It's built 1996. We hope that it's going to be a pretty good production mill. Me and Dad both working at it. When we get it, you know, used to the machine and all that stuff, we're going to be trying to turn 100 railroad ties a day. Should be pretty easy to do. Hey, you need any live edge lumber? Live edge lumber, call me. Anyway, coming around here, up in the cab, we got to figure out a staircase, go up in there. Here's the power unit. There's the fuel tank. There's your blue truck. So listen, I'm 100% positive that when I just did this walk around, you found something that you were just like, well, that's not up to code. Yeah, it's not. It's not. I'm not gonna lie to you about it. I'm a shade tree electrician, shade tree mechanic. Not even a shade tree mechanic. No, I hate mechanicking. But anyway, it works, okay? And it's safe. I'm not gonna get electrocuted. No one's gonna get electrocuted around here. Nothing's gonna fall apart. I don't need OSHA Oscar over here telling me that my electrical cable has got to be buried 3/8 inch deeper than it already is, okay? So cut me some slack on that. Anyway, here in a minute, we're gonna fire this baby up, as my son would say. They're all here, they're excited about it. So I'll see you in a minute up in the cab. All right. Hold on. Hold on? Yeah. Okay. Well, stand by. All right, now we go. You ready? Yep. Turn the switch on. You ready? I'm ready. Start it up. Go over here. Turn all our stuff on. He's putting in gear right now. Well, that'll do it for the day. We got everything running. The controls is working fine. I come home cleaned up, feeding the animals now. But everything worked except for the dogs. I don't know if you can hear me over these chickens. The dogs on the mill, to move them in and out, the hydraulics were engaging, the dogs weren't moving. I think they're just kind of seized up. They were pretty rusty. It's been a long time since that mill's been running. We bought it like that. But anyway, stick around. We'll see what tomorrow brings.